Hello, my name is Jamal, and this is my reflection video for Java 2 week project 4, week 4, term 1407. Alright, this has been a very tough class for me. This is probably the worst I have done yet in a class. I I blame it on being a little too busy. This month I've been building a hotel, doing all the technology infrastructure in the entire hotel, so it just kept me very busy. I'll start off by kind of showing you my app and bringing it up. Oh, well, actually here, let's just play it. Go ahead there. So you can see the app comes and loads. There's my app icon. I did a custom app icon. Have it here. Hello, what is your name? This is my shared preferences. I'll type in my name and hit OK. It says welcome Jamal. Again, right now, because I've already entered that, it will remember. So if I play it again, instead of listing the message and asking for your name, it just says welcome back Jamal. So it actually was stored in the system preferences. So you can see that I changed the icon up here, which we learned how to do this week. I added my action bar items, which I left these ones if room, and this one is never. You can see that. It's easier just to go right down here to main. Alright, so you can see I have shows action right here if room, and then I have right here collapse action view, which I wrote the code for it, just haven't been able to get it working. Here I have never, so it'll always stay hidden on there. So anyways, we could go through here. This is my share one. You could see you have messaging, Bluetooth, email. You could click messaging, new message, type the message, and go ahead and send it. And it attaches the title and author name of the book. I have my search icon right here, which I haven't been able to implement because my app is not functioning correctly. So I just have a Toastmasters search function is not working at this time. And then the favorites, I can't even get my app to go over to the detail view. So I just put a refresh in there and you have refreshed the view. So I added, 3 items. I know they're not the 3 that I wanted. I had the favorites in there, but I can't even get it to go over. My app crashes if I select one of the items. Unfortunately, has stopped. I have not been able to figure this out for the past 2 weeks. I've looked at this code and looked at this code, and so many times. I've got everything looks good to me. I don't know where I'm messing up on it, but you could see, you could rotate it, and you can see my this is my detail view right here, and this is my main activity. It's same thing in here. If I do click on it, so this is just my basic, so without the information passed through yet because I have not clicked on it. So there really not much that I could do with that because I just cannot get it to go through. Besides that, I have, we could take a look at my code real quick. I mean, pretty much my code is the same. Besides, I added in my display welcome, which is right here. That's where it welcome it. If name is greater than 0, so that means if something is stored in my shared preferences, then it just says welcome back, and it pulls that name out of shared preferences. Else, it asks hello, what is your name? And then it stores it into the shared preferences. And that's about it. And then I actually have cancel on there, so you could just cancel out if you didn't want to put your name in it. Right here, this is where I'm just getting mixed up. From my fragment, my books list fragment, I am calling my book selected, which runs load book, which is this right here. I'm accessing my book array, and then I'm pulling the title and the author out of it, and then this is my XML fragment for my detail view, the fragment book. And if my book fragment is not equal to null, then I'm pulling my text view for my book title and book author, which I showed you in here, title and author, right here. And I am setting it with my title and my author. And this part right up here, sorry about that, that's if it's not equal to null. But if but this right here, else, what it's doing is it's pulling the it's pulling the information, and it's sending it over to detail intent. So, and then I have a toast message that says you have selected a book. I put this toast message here because I wanted to see if I was hitting this. And I'm not. I mean, I'm not even hitting this, so I don't know what's making it, what is making it fail. I don't know. So, I mean, pretty much create options menu, which is right here. This is my menu inflator right here, that is pulling from my main, which is my, which I already showed you, which is right here. And that XML file, sorry. And then this is where I'm accessing my search item right here. And then I access my shared item. This is my on option item selected right here. I have my search and I have my refresh, which I am just running this method right here, which I just threw a toast message inside that method to let the user know that we clicked on it. And then pretty much everything else is the same as it is before. I mean, I've gone over this code 500 million times, and I cannot figure out this section where I'm going wrong. I've done everything. I've commented stuff out. I've commented out if-else statements just so, I mean, just to pass the data, you know, I mean, regardless to pass the data, it's not, it still fails. Every single time it fails. I don't really know what else to do. And I'm kind of lost. Hopefully, just crossing my fingers that I passed the class this time. And you can see my book fragment. I forgot to add the comment last time, and then I have my book list fragment right here, which I forgot to add that last time too. And you know, I went through here and I'm implementing my book selected listener, which I am. Where is it? You know, right here. This is my book selected that I'm running over in my main activity, which is right here, which runs load book, which is right here, the local method. And which should send my data over to my detail view. It is not, so I don't really know what to do about that. But I mean, I implement it as best as I can. I've tried to make my app look as best as I can, and I think the app looks pretty good. I just wish that I could click on this item and it would go over. But that's it. I don't know. Possibly doing this class next month. I hope not. I would rather not, but it's kind of out of my hands now. So maybe I'll see you next month. Thanks. Bye.